If you want to customize the app icons on your iPhone, so in this video I will show you the exact method on how to do that. So let's get started. First of all, you will have to download the app icon styles on your iPhone. For that, just open Safari, then in the search bar just search this. Now I'm using this website to download app icons, but you can download your app icons from anywhere else. Now, in the search bar, just search the name of the app which you want to change its icon. For an example, I will search Spotify. And from here, just select the app icon style which you like best. Now I will select this one. From here, just tap on PNG to download. Then select Free Download. Tap on Download. After you download the app icon, now just go to the download section and select the app icon which we have downloaded. Now just save the downloaded app icon to your Photos app. After you save the downloaded app icon to your Photos app, the next step is to go to your home screen and open the Shortcuts app. Under the Library section, just tap on the plus icon. Now in the search bar, just search this. Then tap on Open App. In the App section, just select the app which you want to change its icon. In our case, it is Spotify. Just select Spotify. After you select your app, then tap on the drop-down arrow over here and select Rename. Now from here, just rename the shortcut which we have created. Now I will name it Spotify. After you rename your shortcut, then tap on Done and tap on the eye icon at the bottom of the screen. Select Add to Home Screen, then tap on Image. From here, just select Choose Photo and select the app icon which we have downloaded. Tap on Choose and select Add. And once you do that, you will create a shortcut of the selected app on your home screen. Now just remove the original app from your home screen. For that, just tap and hold on the app icon and select Remove. Now instead of Delete App, just select Remove from Home Screen. Now just do the same process with all the other apps on your iPhone. Just like that. And this is how you can customize the app icon on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.